that. And it doesn't need to be sealed there because it's going inside of it, so it's okay. Now we need a length of this tube.
Alternative cutting method.
Because these will all need sanded down, primed, and glued. But I don't want to do that until we're sure that it's the right place.
What do you find it with?
There's this stuff right here. It's called that.
And that just helps the glue stick? Or
yeah, well.
Or is it?
Yeah, you put the primer on first, and then the cement.
Okay.
So it's here to the plastic.
And these, you can see barrels. Smells like, looks like too.
Oh, there are people.
That'll tell you where they're from. Mount Olive Pickle Company. Colin Bogus had figured out a bulk buying opportunity that we heard about.
It's in North Carolina, isn't it? So, I guess what I want to know for sure is if this is going to, yes, or if I need to cut this inside, which I think is probably a better idea. This might be
it's going to need some extra slack, isn't it? Because it goes up, so this has got to be able to go up into there, right?
I'm not sure.
Or maybe it doesn't.
Oh, it felt like it was catching right there.
Because it's got to fit in.
It's got to tuck in, basically.
Yeah.
So we were going, but this has got to...
Good.
Reform it.
We don't want to get too much in the way of the screw.
Why'd you have to lift it, Lewis?
It definitely helps to get it free.
This is a different.
the tool done on it.
This is a different shape